This one's for all you Land Rover Defender fans out there. We have finally got the Stinger Heigh10 Land Rover Defender kits in stock. So if you've been following the press, you'll see that it enables you to get a 10-inch, not a 7-inch, but a 10-inch touchscreen monitor in the dash of a classic Land Rover Defender using this completely custom fascia panel. It's pretty cool, and it means you don't have to cut the side of the dashboard, which would normally be here, to get the auxiliary controls in. Of course, we still offer the classic kit, which gets you a 7-inch screen, but if you're looking for something different, we've now got these in stock. They're ready to ship and ready to install. If you want to take one to install yourself, it comes as a complete kit. Now, being Audiofile-Incar, we want to add some extra value, so we are including a Nakatenanga dual band antenna with every single kit. So rather than using that nasty pull-up antenna and a glass mount DAB inside the window, we're going to use this proper DAB antenna, so you're going to get proper FM and proper DAB reception. Also, if you've done your research, you'll see that this does not have wireless CarPlay. Well, it does when you buy it from Audiofile-Incar, because we are including a tried and tested wireless adapter, which will give you full wireless Apple CarPlay over Wi-Fi, so that's lossless audio transmission. It's not like a Bluetooth connection or anything like that. So there you go. If you want to get one of these fitted, get in touch. We can get them done in a day. We've got everything in stock. If you want one shipped, get in touch. We've not quite got our new website ready yet, so you can't unfortunately buy online, but you can get in touch and we can get everything ready for you. Thank you very much for watching.